Hello students, let us continue with the page number 82. We were on page number 82 and yesterday we were discussing that Kailash Satyarthi was asking to the audience, to the whole world, to us, that what are we waiting for, when we will awake and when we will start protecting and caring and saving children. And he is giving some solutions now. In the today's part we'll see some of the solutions which he is giving. We need collective actions with this with a sense of urgency, and he says if we are waiting for the thing, if we are waiting that someone will approach me, something will happen with my near and dear ones, and then I will start working for the children, then don't wait for such then don't wait for that time. What is the need of the hour for the children? The need of the hour is we need a collective actions. Understood? We need a collective action with a sense of urgency, and with a sense of urgency means we need a collective action. Then only we will be able to save the children's. Will be able to give a proper place to the children to live in this world. Every single minute matters, every single child matters, every single childhood matters. Therefore, I challenge the passivity and pessimism surrounded our children. I challenge this culture of silence and this culture of passivity, this culture of neutrality. See, very nice actually, because he is working on a ground, he is working on the field, and that's why he has the solutions also, and he knows the exact problems of the children, and that is why he is telling us all these things. What he says, every single minute matters, and he says ki don't sit, don't wait, because every single minute matters. In every single minute thousands of children are being made hostage, right? And every single child matters. एंड डोंट थिंक कि आज तो चार गए, बस दो जन जाने से क्या होता है, एक जन जाने से क्या होता है. नो, नॉट एट ऑल. एवरी सिंगल, रिमेंबर, एवरी सिंगल चाइल्ड मैटर्स, एंड एवरी सिंगल चाइल्डहुड मैटर्स. सी, दिस चाइल्डहुड वी नेवर मीन्स you might have heard in Marathi. Many of you are Maharashtrians. You heard ki it is said in Marathi. Maybe in English also some kind of phrase would be there. Ki the childhood is the best period of our life. In Marathi there is one phrase. The meaning of that, childhood is the best period of our life. Why it is said? It is said because really childhood we enjoy, we know the things we do in childhood we never able to do, and that's why we adore the small children, because they are innocent. They don't know whatever they do with their heart. Their mind is not involved in that, and as we grow we start using our mind and we spoil everything. Okay, and that's why he says every childhood matters. Even one single child is losing its childhood, it matters, and who is responsible for that? Who will give protection to them? So we will give protection to them. And therefore I challenge the passivity and pessimism surrounded our children. And he says, therefore today I am going to challenge the passivity and the passive inactionness, and the pessimism and passivity surrounded our children, and whatever things or whatever crimes are happening related to the children, it is happening because of the passivity and pessimism that we are carrying. And that's why he says today I am challenging that, don't leave it. I challenge this culture of silence and the culture of passivity. And he says, I want to challenge the culture of silence, that everything we are seeing, but we are not doing anything. And for this, I want to challenge this culture. I am not ready to accept such culture which is not even able to give protection, able to look after a child, then what is the use of such culture? And he says, we must speak. We must speak. Let us start speaking for the children. The culture of neutrality. Okay, and the neutrality which is filled within us. So he says, I'm challenging the culture of neutrality, because neutrality is not supporting, means not helping, being neutral, not helping anyone. So he says, don't do that. Start working for the children. This is what he wants to tell in the second part. So in short, I want to just repeat the summary of second part. In second part, actually, he wants to tell us that don't think if what will happen with me, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, अकेला क्या कर सकता है. He says, don't think कि you cannot do anything. You have, means even every single person when will think or will bring in mind to do something for the children, for the betterment of the children, remember, then definitely this world will be an entire different world. And he has given that example in that 18 years before, around 2000 or before that, 1998, I hope, during that time child labor law was passed in United Nations. So he said millions of volunteers like me when walk throughout or work throughout the world demanding the law against abolition of child labor, and we got that. Means if we will think, we can do that. So don't think that nothing is we cannot do anything. And along with that, he says that today it is a need to inculcate global compassion into the minds of our children. We are losing that. Okay, and with this we have completed the second part also. We will continue in the next video with the third part is comparatively small, and then we will do the exercise. Yesterday's video also, I remember I told to join you the homework group. I made a homework group for you. You can send your homework in that group. I'll see that homework and I'll send feedback to you. Means virtually now I cannot check it, but I can give you feedbacks. Okay, so and in case any doubts, if you have, call me anytime. Okay, my number is there, so you can call me and you can ask me if you have any doubts regarding this. Along with that, now we almost finished more than a lesson, more than a half. So you can start solving your English workshop. So that will be good for you. Okay. So let us stop here today. Have a nice day. Take care.